Myself Isha Goel. Today our topic is body fluids and circulation. ये लेफ्ट साइड पे हार्ट की वो पिक्चर है जो हम बनाते हैं और जो सही नहीं है, एंड राइट वन इज़ द राइट वन. As we all know, blood is a special connective tissue consisting of fluid matrix, plasma and formed elements. Plasma is a straw-colored viscous fluid and it constitutes nearly 55% of blood. Main proteins present are fibrinogen, globulins, albumin. Albumin helps in the osmotic balance. Globulins involve in the defense mechanism of the body. Next, plasma without the clotting factors is known as serum. In formed elements, we have RBCs known as erythrocytes, leukocytes are known as WBCs, white blood cells, and platelets. Formation of RBCs occur in the red bone marrow in adults and have biconcave shape. A healthy individual has 12 to 16 gram of hemoglobin in every 100 ml of blood. They have a red colored iron containing complex protein called hemoglobin, and the average lifespan of RBCs is 120 days and they are destroyed in spleen. Next, we have white blood cells, leukocytes, and they are colorless due to lack of hemoglobin. They are further categorized into two categories. First is the granulocytes, which include neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Neutrophils are the maximum and the basophils are the least. Agranulocytes, which include monocytes, lymphocytes, and the phagocytic cells are neutrophils, monocytes. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin, which are involved in the inflammatory reactions. Eosinophils can resist infections and are also involved in the allergic reactions. B and T lymphocytes are responsible for immune response of the body. Next, we all know person with the O blood group are universal donors and the person with AB blood group are universal recipients. Next is very important concept of Rh antigen. Here a circle is a RBC and the star is antigen. If the antigen is present on the RBC surface, such individuals are known as Rh positive, and if antigen is not present on RBC surface, such individuals are known as Rh negative. And if an Rh negative person, if exposed to Rh positive blood, will form specific antibodies against the Rh antigens. Therefore, Rh group should be matched before the transfusions. There is a one special case in which a pregnant mother has Rh negative and the fetus has Rh positive. In the first pregnancy, Rh antigens of fetus do not get exposed to the Rh negative blood of the mother, as the two bloods are well separated by the placenta. But, however, during the delivery of the first child, there is a little chances of exposure of maternal blood to Rh positive blood of the fetus, and the mother start preparing antibodies against it. In the subsequent pregnancy, antibodies from the mother leak into the blood of the fetus and destroy fetus RBCs. This could be fatal due to the fetus or could cause severe anemia and jaundice to the baby. This condition is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. This can be avoided by administering anti-Rh antibodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. Next is also an important mechanism of coagulation. We know when we cut our finger or hurt ourselves, our wound doesn't continue to bleed for a long time. Usually the blood stops flowing after some time. injury occurs, it activates the thrombokinase. Thrombo further activates the inactive prothrombin into thrombin. Thrombin further activates the inactive fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrin is a network of threads, clot or coagulum. Here calcium ions play an important role in this cascade. Next, two type of circulatory pathways are there. One is the open circulatory in arthropods and mollusks. Second is the closed in annelids and chordata. This closed circulatory system is considered to be more advantageous as the flow of blood can be more precisely regulated. Next, in amphibians and reptiles, we have three-chambered heart, two arteries, one ventricle, but exception is crocodile. In crocodile, birds and mammals, we have four-chambered heart with two arteria and two ventricles. Next, we have three types of circulation: single, mixed, double circulation. In fishes, we have single circulation. The heart pumps out the deoxygenated blood. Interesting to know, the heart pumps out deoxygenated blood, which is oxygenated by the gills and supplied to the body parts, from where deoxygenated blood is returned to the heart. Single circulation. Amphibians, reptiles, we have incomplete double circulation, mixed. In amphibian reptiles, the left atrium receives the oxygenated blood and the right atrium gets the deoxygenated blood. However, they get mixed up in the single ventricle which pumps out mixed blood. But in birds and mammals, we have double circulation. Heart is a mesodermally derived organ situated in the thoracic cavity between the two lungs, slightly tilted to the left. It has the size of a clenched fist. Double-walled membrane of heart is known as pericardium. There are three septa between the atria: interarterial septum; between the two ventricles, interventricular septum; between the atria and ventricle, atrioventricular septum. We have two valves here. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve formed of three muscular flaps known as tricuspid valve, whereas a bicuspid valve or mitral valve guards the opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Thank you. We will continue this chapter in next video.